nga. I couldn't believe it. Ako kasi for me, I just wanted to, I do it because I love it and nag-i-enjoy ako. Siguro, yun lang talaga yung kailangan, that you don't really have to try super hard, you just really have to enjoy the whole process. Siyempre, na-pressure, parang wait lang, but it's an honor, especially with Sheena's background, especially with live selling. That is just grabe. Parang si Oprah Winfrey yung nagsabi sa'yo, you're a great host. Right? So for me, wow, it's on a different level.
Thank you. For Miss Sheena naman, from Sanya, Janela to now Miss Sheena, may conscious effort po ba na yung face ng Amara Shia is puro babae? And anong message ng company na ganun?
Yeah, so it's a woman empowerment po. That's why. And then, jewelry kasi talaga, it's, for us, it's like more on babae po talaga. Yes, opo.
Thank you so much, Nas. Now, let's have Miss Kate Adahar from Random Republica.
Hi, good afternoon. My question is for the husbands, so for Sir Lian and Sir Eric. So both your wives are empowered women. So how does it feel and what do you appreciate most about them? Ano po yun?
Can you ask that question again, please?
Okay. So both your wives are empowered women. So they're very confident in the business. What do you appreciate most about them and how does it feel to have an empowered woman?
Well, for men in general, para sa mga lalaki, responsibility po namin is to mag-provide sa pamilya, right? So, ang saying po namin is, I bring home the bacon. Ang ginagawa or responsibility ni Rona is cook the bacon, you know, for everyone. So I bring it home, she cooks it. But this time, pwede naman magpalit kami ng konti. Like, she could bring home the bacon and then kakain na lang ako. But I'm just kidding. First and foremost, like when I first got here, it's great to see my wife shine. Usually, ako yung nasa spotlight. And iba ngayon eh. Like, I feel very proud. There's a lot of pride coming from what I do, but translating it through her. Like, ako talagang streamer ako since 2018. So, ilang years po yan? 8 years ako nagla-live stream. Pero when I saw her do it, man, I was like, far out. I've been streaming for 8 years. At meron siyang mga diskarte na ginagawa sa live stream na di ko ginagawa. So meaning she's really putting her own soul, her own mind, her own tactics in live selling. Because hindi pwedeng maganda ka lang. Kailangan talagang matalino ka pa. Or marunong ka mag-entertain. Hindi pwedeng English lang, ha? Kailangan may Tagalog din. Kasi yung mga viewers natin, hindi puro Englishero. And walang translation yan. Pero the way she explains the knowledge that she now has in 3 months, I'm flabbergasted talaga. Like, sobrang gulat ako na marami siyang alam tungkol sa diamonds. And that's why, just like, I'll go back to the first part is, I'm just very, very proud to see her stand, not in the spotlight, but stand alone na wala ako. Kaya-kaya niya gawin yan. Even to a point where she will even exceed, or already, 3 months, she's already passed me. And that what I've done in 8 years. Grabe, ang galing niya. So, very proud of her.
Ayun, so for me, ever since naman kasi mataas na talaga ang respect ko sa mga babae. Especially sa mga mother. So, actually, amazing nga ako sa kanila kasi yung pindaanan nila from giving birth, dun pa lang talaga taas ang respeto ko. So, yung vision nila na empowering woman, si Sheena, yung niya, ako sumusupport lang talaga. It's like I'm the foundation and sila yung gumagayad dun sa akin ngayon. So, hindi naman siya madaling i-adapt. Kasi alam mo yung macho bravado sa men na ikaw dapat na mag-lead especially sa bahay din, sa padre de pamilya. But sa generation ngayon, I think there's always, parang equal lang actually. Minsan nga, mas ano pa nga sila. Kumbaga, tiger ka nga, but they are the trainer. So, ayun, nakakamiss lang. Yeah. Thank you.